Today I am going to discuss GCE O Level 2019 Mathematics Paper 2 Part A question number 3. This question is based on the simultaneous equations and the algebraic fractions. This is the question. Now we will summarize the information given in the question. There are 5 boys and 4 girls in a group of dancers. 5 boys and 4 girls. In a certain performance, all the boys wore costumes of the same price and all the girls too wore costumes of the same price. That means each boy's costume is same price and each girl's costume is also same price. The price of 2 boys' costumes was 1000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls' costumes. The cost of the costumes of all the children in the group was 14,000 rupees. Part 1 of the question says, take the price of a boy's costume as X rupees and the price of a girl's costume as Y rupees and construct a pair of simultaneous equations that represents the above information. Price of boy's costume equals X rupees. Price of girl's costume equals Y rupees. Now we will construct 2 simultaneous equations. The price of 2 boys' costumes was 1000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls' costumes. Price of 1 boy's costume equals X rupees. Therefore, price of 2 boys' costume 2x. 2x. Price of 2 boys' costumes was 1000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls. Price of 1 girl's costume equals Y rupees. Therefore, 3 girls equals 3y. The price of 2 boys' costume was 1000 rupees more than the price of 3 girls. Therefore, 2x equals 3y plus 1000. This is the equation number 1. We will rearrange this equation. We will take all the x and y terms into one side. 2x, this 3y, come to this side as minus 3y equals 1000. This is the equation number. How to construct the second equation? The question says the cost of the costumes of all the children in the group was 14,000 rupees. How many children are there in this group? 5 boys and 4 girls. The boys' costume X rupees, therefore 5 boys 5x. Girls' costume Y rupees, therefore 4 girls 5x plus 4y equals to 14,000. This is the second equation. Part 2 of the question says, by solving these equations, find separately the price of a boy's costume and the price of a girl's costume. Okay, you have to find the value of x and y. Here I will use the elimination method. You can see the elimination of y is easy because you can add these two equations because the coefficient of y minus and plus here. Therefore, adding these equation you can easily eliminate y. And first we will make 2 coefficient of y is exactly the same of the other equation. In this case, the common factor of 3 and 4 here would be 12. Therefore, we have to multiply the equation number 1 by 4. Gives 8x minus 12y equals 4000. This is the third equation, and the second equation you have to multiply it by 3. Gives 15x plus 12y equals 42,000. This is the fourth equation. Now you have to add these two equations. 3 plus 4. 8x plus 15x, 23x, minus 12y plus 12y get cancelled. 4000 plus 42,000, 46,000. To find x, you have to divide both sides by 23. Therefore, 23x divided by 23 equals x. 46,000 divided by 23 equals 2,000. To find y, you can substitute to any equation here. I will substitute. Substituting x equals 2000 equation 1. I substitute this equation. Then 2x, 2 into 2000, 2 into 2000 minus 3y equals 1000. 2 into 2000, 4000 minus 3y equals 1000. Then keep minus 3y here and take this 4000, comes as minus 4000, 1000 minus 4000 minus 3y equals minus 3000. To find y, you have to divide both sides by minus 3. Minus 3y divided by minus 3 equals y. Minus 3000 divided by minus 3 equals 1000. Therefore, price of a boy's costume equals 2000 rupees. Price of a girl's costume equals 1000 rupees. This is the answer for part 2. Part B of the question. Simplify these two fractions. 5x over x squared minus 1 minus 4 over x plus 1. How do you simplify this fraction? First you have to find the common denominator of these two fractions. For that you have to find the lowest common multiple. How do you find the lowest common multiple of these two? X squared minus 1. What are the factors? Here x squared minus 1 minus, you can rewrite this as 1 squared. Therefore you can apply here factors of differences of 2 squares. Therefore x squared minus 1 factors are x minus 1 and x plus 1. Here x plus 1, the factors are same, x plus 1. Then what are the factors of these two? X minus 1 and x plus 1. What are the highest powers? X minus 1 is the highest power of x minus 1. X plus 1 highest power is 1. X minus 1 highest power is 1 and x plus 1 also highest power is 1. Therefore this is the lowest common multiple. Okay, x minus 1, x plus 1. Here x minus 1, x plus 1 the same as x squared minus 1. Therefore this divided by this equals 1. 1 into 5x equals 5x. Minus, here x minus 1, x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is x minus 1. Here minus 4. Be careful, here minus is there, therefore you have to open up a bracket. This is very important. Here x plus 1 get cancelled, the remaining x minus 1. Okay, now we will simplify more. 5x minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 1 equals plus 4. Divide by x minus 1, x plus 1. Then you can take the same terms. 5x minus 4x, x plus 4, x minus 1, x plus 1. If you want, you can rewrite the answer like this. X minus 1, x plus 1, that is x squared minus 1. This is the answer for part B. This is the end of the question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video.